Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. As you can see, today we're here at Erebus Haunted House up here in Pontiac, Michigan, just outside of Detroit. This is one of the longest haunted houses in the world. It is 4 stories tall, and there's larger than life props and creatures in here. You are not gonna wanna miss it. I don't think I can count on one hand how many times we narrowly escaped death in this place. So without further ado, let's go in and get some scares.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is the queue area.
Yeah.
Watch.
Oh.
Nora!
Hello.
Nora!
Hello. Uh-oh.
I wish I brought a Spider-Friend for you.
No.
Yes.
Don't need those.
I should have brought one for you.
No. Oh, look at the wimp wall. I gotta take a picture of that. Oh, what? Ooh. I don't trust you already.
Well, you might need a little Spider-Friend somewhere.
Somewhere in there.
It's a really big facility, so.
This Spider might not be so small.
Right. Ooh.
I'll see you around, Nora.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm gonna.
Come on in.
Oh, that one's tall.
Welcome to Dr. Colbert's time experiment.
Ooh.
Beyond these doors lie dark and terrible things. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
He's really tall.
3 more, Doctor. Stick to the left.
Thank you.
Left to the left.
Oh,
There's something really dark right there.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
What was it?
It's a man with a chain.
Ooh. Oh no.
I don't like it.
Where'd he go?
I don't know.
He really did just disappear.
He's quick like a ninja.
He's really good at this game.
Oh, we're going up.
Up.
Yep. We gotta go. This is 4. Ah! He scared the freaking crap out of me. Oh, I knew he just disappeared.
Peeking over the edge there.
There's something on the floor, Tammy.
Oh no.
Oh, I see it up there. That's
Okay.
not disconcerting at all.
It's perfectly normal.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Sure.
Oh my.
Here.
Oh my.
Anyway. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Getting agitated.
Uh-oh.
Don't leave me!
Well-
but you're scary. Oh gosh, this crap walking.
Hello, are we ready to meet the doctor?
Why are you all so
Maybe.
tall?
I don't know.
Because of genetic experiments, of course.
They're very tall people
Doctor's
here.
giving me lots of gorgeous procedures, as you can see, turning me into a wonderful lizard person. Right this way, please.
Hi, how are you?
If it is no experiment, come, follow. Make haste.
I'm not gonna be an
I said make haste. Let's go.
I'm hasting. I'm hasting.
All
Oh,
right, stop.
hammer time.
Hammer time.
Welcome
Say it.
to the Erebus time experiment. My name is Dr. Swiss. I've been to the illustrious Erebus experiment for some time. We take our time travel very seriously. You understand?
Yes.
All right. Do you have any questions? I don't care. Let's go.
Oh goodness.
He brought me friends. Did he bring me friends?
Yes.
Will you sit by him?
Sure.
Yes. It's so lonely.
I bet.
Because the doctor never brings me anything. It's always work.
Never gives us a
Work,
break.
work, work.
It is constant work, 24/7.
There it is.
Doctor. I'm Dr. Lenore.
Oh,
And your name is?
Nora.
I don't really care because you're all numbers here.
Okay, numbers.
Do you know what wormhole is?
Wormhole?
Wormhole. I don't know what this is.
What?
Can you hold a lever for me? Hold a lever! Right
Something's reaching through. Oh shit, we go this way.
When the door opens, you're all going in for decontamination because you all stink. Absolutely filthy.
Decontamination. Bye.
You must first be cleansed of all the contaminants.
I have to pee.
Not a good time.
Right this way, please. Somebody this way.
Oh my
To the
god.
light. Follow the light. To the light. You must follow the light.
I've been waiting for you.
Oh, Area 51. Somebody's trying to get out.
Oh.
Oh, what did he? Oh. Uh-oh. Wonder what's in there.
Ruh-roh.
Probably
Oh,
aliens.
shaggy. I've
It's
always wondered where that
definitely
was.
something that wants to.
What was that? What was that? I don't know. It came out of there.
You almost got probed.
I almost got probed. Oh, that's an alien.
How the tables have turned.
That was a good double. What is that? Oh my god, that's a good double. Oh, that one fell backwards.
Oh, they knocked the wall over.
We got a triple tap. We gotta go. What is it? Oh god. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out, whatever it is.
It's a big monster.
Whoa, what is that thing? Is that an alien? Yeah. Oh! What is going on?
The heck is going
The
on?
whole room is moving!
Holy crap.
I like this a lot.
Whoa! What in the world? I haven't seen a room like this.
That was cool.
That is cool. Whoa.
We're tilted.
That's wild.
Oh no,
Oh
Nora.
my god, what is it?
Oh no.
Oh no! What the fudge? Oh no! Give me that butt! That's a giant spider! Oh my god! It just whacked me! It grabbed me! Tyler, it can come all the way out! Oh my god, that was the biggest spider I've ever seen!
And it grabbed you.
Come all the way out of there.
Oh, that music.
The door's closing.
God!
Oh god! It's closing behind us too. We're stuck. Oh, it's going back up.
Oh, Tyler!
You have to hurry. You have to hurry.
Go, go, go! What is it? Welcome to the circus!
Uh-oh.
Oh, what have you got? Oh, that's cool how that works. Oh, God.
Watch your head!
Okay, I don't want you to keep it.
Oh, it's a mirror
Lord.
maze. They're following us.
Oh, why are you all so tall?
Come here, girl!
Don't trust the clowns.
Come here, girl!
No, I don't trust clowns. No way.
Welcome to the circus! Come on! Welcome, Scare Factor! Welcome! Come on, pick up the spoil it! You lose!
We lose.
What the hell is that?
Oh god.
What in the world?
Oh, that's really far.
This is a good sensory haunt.
That's a big one.
He's got a big mallet.
Right here?
Oh, I don't know.
Can I hit it?
Oh god. Oh.
The camera!
Oh, this camera.
Get out of here!
Yeah, I do.
I want to play! You want to play in my room? What are you doing?
Oh my god. Oh no. Oh. Oh. It's a pumpkin. Big pumpkin. Big pumpkin. Oh my god, this is awesome. Holy crap. No. Yeah. Oh lord. Oh, okay.
Oh my. She's following.
Why is the floor so squishy? I don't know. The floor is so squishy.
It is squishy.
I don't trust anything.
Tammy, they're all twitching. What? They're all twitching. All the bodies. Yeah. They're all moving.
They move when you. Oh, you don't know which one's real.
Oh my god. Oh,
Oh, God.
this is freaking awesome.
real.
See?
Oh god. He's real.
There's no way to know who's real.
It's not quite either.
Oh
no.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
What in the world? It's a Rally Man thing. Oh, what in the world? What the hell? Oh, you gotta run! It's a giant pumpkin!
Oh, he's gonna eat us.
I think it's a pumpkin!
He's gonna eat us. Oh god. They ate him. Where'd they go?
Run, Tyler, run!
Oh god. I've never been eaten by a pumpkin before. before.
Me neither. We are now pumpkin farts. Uh-oh. Okay.
They took us into the ground.
We're getting buried. Uh-oh. Oh no, is it gonna submerge us?
Something's gonna kill us, guys.
Oh.
But I can't swim.
Oh no, we're gonna do
You're gonna drown in the swamp. I need floaties.
Oh, look at the cabin. We want floaties. Tammy went way down. Oh, Tammy. Oh my God. We're gonna drown. You're eaten by the
Front of the house.
Oh shoot. Oh no, it's getting taller. Oh no.
We're going down.
Oh my God.
We're sinking.
Oh my God.
We're melting.
This is. We're going to Oz.
What do you think you're doing here? This is authorized only.
Okay,
I'm authorized.
Come on. You're not authorized. You're
Yes,
not
I
out
am.
of here. We're gonna have a meltdown, dude.
Oh my God,
Come on, hurry up.
that looks
Get
like
out
the
of here.
machine that likes to clean itself.
Come on, this thing's like meltdown. No, we're gonna explode.
Oh, Tammy,
my God,
don't
we
trust the
gotta go.
vortex. Don't trust it.
Oh, it's a portal.
Oh no.
Holy shit.
Oh my God. Wow. I can't. I'm trying to blow us up. Look at that. Oh! I don't know. Watch your head,
No
Tyler.
bridge.
This is so interactive.
You know how low it is if Nora's got to crouch.
Oh, it's getting taller. If it wasn't for Tyler's camera, it'd be pitch black. Ramp.
Oh, all you can see is a little bit of light
I see
in the
something
floor.
moving.
Uh-huh. That doesn't look good.
Now the ritual can begin.
That's
No rituals. Oh, he's shrinking the walls. He's shrinking the walls.
that was mean.
Don't do that.
What is it? I don't know. Oh! Oh! It's biting me!
There's a trick on the other side.
Inside?
Inside here.
Oh, okay.
About to be buried alive.
Very alive? Oh, shit.
Against the wall. Buried now.
Oh, no! Oh, my God!
What's happening?
Jumbo!
Shuffle! There's some light in here. This is Patty's meat pies.
Oh, there's more of them.
Look at there. Oh, ramp.
Oh, there's bodies.
Whoa! Whoa!
God.
Whoa! Holy crap!
Oh
Oh
my
my
God.
God! Tyler, we have to hold on for this
bridge is
one.
moving.
Woo!
Don't touch the rails.
I can't help it!
Don't touch the
Tyler!
rails. Oh, that one was a double.
Yes, it was. It was really good. Oh, there's the meat. This is how they make the meat pies. Oh, I don't want to.
No doom today.
What?
No
That is
dooms
a mighty
today.
hole.
Oh,
They're
another skilly's on
everywhere.
that side.
Straight to the
Oh,
underbelly.
to the other side. Oh, no, no. Oh, my goodness. Oh, oh.
Feel the energy.
Oh, I feel the energy. Oh, my God.
To the rope. He is sweet.
Hold the rope.
Hold the ropes.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Time for processing.
Processing.
Processing. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. Ah! There's two of them.
Oh, God. Wait. That's the way out? Oh, my God. We gotta throw ourselves in. We gotta throw ourselves in. Oh, supposed to make it out.
Oh my God.
He's coming after us. He's coming after us. Holy crap, guys, that was absolutely amazing. Big, huge, like we almost got eaten by a T-Rex. How often does that happen? We also got eaten by a pumpkin. I mean, come on. And then that ending, having to throw ourselves into the grinder, like who does that? Who has to kill themselves to get out of a haunt? Well, we're going to several haunted houses up here in the Detroit area this weekend. I'm gonna link to another one right here for you. I will see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.